Still can't get this stupid shit out. Okay. License for accessory. See, and this is why I bought this thing. I'm tired of it. Then it goes on the desk. This is for the phone. And this is the actual stand. These are the pieces. I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna show you how it looks at the end. Now you clamp it here to the desk. Then you basically can raise it all up. You could either tighten it or loosen it here to keep it in place. Then you move this up or down, which I have it clamped right now so you can't. And then you go here. Again, same thing. Clamp it up and down. And you got here. Then you have your phone. You press. Goes up. You turn it so you can see it better. The button opens on its own. That's the clamp right there. Boom.